Now let's talk a little bit more about CSS selectors. These are one of the most important concepts in CSS. Selectors are what allow us to connect our styles to the HTML on a web page. CSS selectors are how you target specific HTML elements so that you can style them. Think of selectors as the who in CSS, basically who is getting styled on your page. A CSS selector targets elements on a web page, so you can apply styles to them. For example, here we have a paragraph in HTML. In CSS, we use the selector P to style it. This tells the browser to style all paragraph elements. In this case, it will make the paragraph text blue. Here's an easy way to think about it. HTML is the content. It's what exists on the page. The CSS selector is who you're choosing, and the CSS styles are what you do to them. Together, they create the final look. There are several common types of selectors that you'll use. These include element selectors, class selectors, ID selectors, descendant selectors, and pseudo-classes. An element selector targets all elements of a specific type. For example, this code selects all H1 elements and makes their text red. A class selector targets any element with a specific class. In this example, any element with the class of box will have a yellow background. An ID selector targets one unique element on the page. IDs should only be used once. Here, the element with the ID of header will have a font size of 24 pixels. A descendant selector targets elements inside other elements. In this example, it selects all anchor tags that are inside a nav element and makes them green. Pseudo-classes are used for interactions. For example, this selector changes the color of a link when a user hovers over it with their mouse. Selectors matter because they let you control specific parts of a page, apply styles efficiently, and avoid repeating code over and over again. Without selectors, you wouldn't be able to target specific elements, customize different parts of a page, or build structured and well-designed layouts. To sum it up, CSS selectors are the way you choose which elements to style. They are essential for creating clean, organized, and visually appealing web pages.